Crispy and delicious chicken fillet. We start off by cutting our chicken breast thinly. Fillet cuts are usually thin, which makes it easy to season and fast to cook. Cut it lengthwise in order to have long chicken strips. Into your bowl, beat an egg and add a little bit of milk. It gives a creamy flavor to the chicken. Next is the flour. I found this crispy tempura batter mix in the Korean section and gave it a try. The chicken turned out extra crispy and the chicken is more flavorful. But if you don't have it, all-purpose flour will do. And next is the breadcrumbs. I'm using Panko breadcrumbs for today. These breadcrumbs have a drier and flakier consistency than regular breadcrumbs. Panko produces lighter and crunchier tasting fried food. Into the panko, I'm adding this kind of breadcrumb. It is brown and finer in texture, but adds a pleasant smell and flavor in the chicken. Add a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. And then add your paprika, garlic powder, and dried parsley. And then mix all the spices with your panko breadcrumbs. Now we're all set and we're ready to bread the chicken fillet strips. Dip it first into the flour and make sure that the chicken is evenly coated, and then shake off any excess flour. And then transfer it to the beaten egg. And allow the excess egg drip back into your bowl. And finally, dip the chicken fillet strips into your breadcrumbs mixture. Once you're done coating the chicken, set it aside. Then continue the same process with all your chicken fillet strips. So when you're done coating all the chicken, we're now ready to deep fry. To cook the chicken, prepare oil into your pot, and once the oil is hot, place about 4 chicken strips at a time. This will give enough room for each chicken to get evenly cooked. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken turns golden brown. It quickly gets cooked, so stay close while frying. Remove and transfer the strips of chicken into a spider strainer. And also allow the excess oil to drip out from the chicken. Set the chicken aside and continue with the remaining chicken strips. And here is our crispy and delicious chicken fillet. It is my husband's birthday and he requested for this recipe. This is also a favorite chicken recipe of my children. I hope you enjoyed our video and give this recipe a try. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you in our next cooking episode. Until next time, bye!